I like to install the valve using the Briggs & Stratton valve spring compressor. I think it's a lot easier than the C style spring compressor that we use to remove. And I'm going to wind that in a little bit. This one as well. I want to make sure that that fits the retainer. That slides in there okay. Almost, there we go. Same with this side. I want to make sure it slides in. Okay, so here's the key for this one. And it is you want to install the retainer and the spring into the tool. So here's my spring retainer, but it's a very specific way. I want to put it in so this large hole is facing the tool. So I want to put it in like this. Maybe I need to unwind that a little bit more to make that fit. There we go. That sort of fits in there like that. Okay. So it's sitting like this, and then I want to crank on this and compress as a one whole unit, okay? Remember that big hole faces the tool. And I'm going to compress till the coils are just about touching. And then I'm going to take my valve. Here's my, it's exhaust valve. So I'm going to run it through. I'm going to run it through there, and I'm going to put this tool in there. And what the goal is to run it through so you can put the valve in like here and then pull the tool out and it slips into place, okay? So put it in like this and then pull it out. It looks like this. I think. Come on. It's a little tough at this angle. Oh, come on, there it went. Okay. So I know it's tough to see, but right down there is the valve tip, and I've got that tool in there. I've got the valve tip through the hole, that large hole, and then it's kind of sticking up. So now all I have to do is pull the spring compressor out, and now you see that the retainer has been kept into the groove of the valve. Good luck.